her birthday.
She's a pretty
Girl. And girl, let me tell you, I need one of these, you know.
Yeah.
Why you plug it out?
I think it did.
And the birthday. Okay. So let me give you guys a OOT. It's night, right? OOTN. So the dress is from Fashion Nova. The hair is Unice. This is a Yaki straight glueless bob. Did she give you Babiana?
Yeah, she
Let me know in the comments. And the heels are from Shein, of course. And then Sammy first set on my nails.
Period.
Yeah, and then the ring, my man.
Her husband.
Right. And the jewelry is from Amazon, and Fashion Nova. My necklace is from Royal Jewelers. And I have my bag. Let me show you guys my bag, because the bag match my shoe. And then my bag, gold on pink. You guys catch the bags. This is from, I don't remember the store. I got it while I was in Panama. So she's international. Period. And that's me.
She's
Happy birthday. So
She's the birthday. She's the birthday. She's the birthday.
like that.
Our dress is really cute. I love it.
It's really cute.
It's given.
It's really cute. I love it too. This is gift number 3. Let's see what I found the box.
You see what it is on it? So yes, me listen.
See what it is. Yeah, that be a
When I did say I did want this, tell me. When we
made it in Panama.
No, when they at the beach and you say, oh, me not have no. You remember that? So that's another here.
And you get the white. I know I said that with the white on because I have no nice white sandals. If you didn't want a man, you got to make it as a man.
Yeah.
You got to be a good man. You gotta listen to any little man you get. Yeah.
Size, because me get it in 6.
No, this is gonna fit. It's 6. Yeah, I'm wearing 6 in it.
Oh. Okay.
I wear 6 in it, and I know I have a white still nothing.
My sister.
Period, and I love it. But actually, I try to get the white one and made the Panama. Them never have my size, so that's why I really get the brown. And now she got me the white.
I do.
The only thing missing now, I feel just book me one 6 nights. Yeah.
6 nights wear.
6 nights, probably over sandals. No way too fussy.
You know, say I've never been to Sandal. Alright, you said me go book 6 nights. But feel like me and you. What you think? Me and you are go Sandal to 6 nights. Well, say to me and book 6 nights. Man.
Why you
No, but guys, that's 6 nights.
No, right.
No, so that fair. Me, I book you 6 nights, and you and husband guys.
6 nights you are behind you. That's
What you mean? Well, that's 6 nights. You are man.
of course. Live the best life. I love it. So thank you. I'm excited to see what that. Well, I already know one of the gift them is. Cause that can't hide.
But I told you guys. But I told you so that one, that box. The girl is them who know that box can't hide. Isn't she so pretty? She's such a princess. I feel like there's an elevator or something.
There's got to be the
It seems that way. Hello, good afternoon. Where is the Mezzaluna restaurant?
You know Mr. Khan.
No, not yet.
Why you think they're waiting for us? Oh, so you think we're up to late?
Thank you. Have to, we have to simmer down. It's her day. It's her day.
It's already a birthday?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Yes. She's the birthday.
Thank you.
She's the birthday.
Shock, you know?
Oh, so there's an elevator
Yeah,
to go
man.
up?
Number, you press this.
Oh, okay.
So you're going to press number 2, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
This one.
Oh, this one.
Alright, thank you.
Here.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, that's like family.
Yeah. So she's the birthday.
I'm the birthday. I'm the cake, the candle, the frosting,
Period.
everything.
Oh. You see, you see the security I hype you up.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Can I just have a possible? Can I have coconut water, please?
That's the coconut water. That's for her.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for her. So regular water. That's it?
Yeah. You like it? I would like it too. It's sweet. No, yes. It's light and
Yeah, it's not over like the taste. It's like
it light, fruity, and yeah, like that.
Now let's try the.
Thank you.
I don't remember the sauce, but it's a cream sauce.
You like it? You can't eat up all of that? What? You only eat two. The two you eat. Period.
My stomach is half full, half empty. Weird, I know, but that's just the feeling.
Huh? Yeah. Yes. Because you're trying to remember. It feel like it's not the same place. Oh.
Places on this part.
It is alright. Hmm? Or the board? Ah. And yes, we have a take out.
You got takeout.
Yeah.
Like a favorite.
I get takeout. I have takeout. Ah. The A what?
Favorite.
Yes. fresh. You want to see if they have the ice cream thing? Experience it because I know they say it tastes good.